Good morning, everybody. Trying to put another video together today, and it is a beautiful sunrise. Just I believe they said about 30 or 40 yard basement floor. Shouldn't take all that long to knock this out, and then I'll be bolting across town to a wall that's more on a commercial site. Not sure how much I'll be able to video in there, but I'm gonna get the Osmo action out. I will time lapse here, speed things up a little bit, and let's get started. Looking for my other cable I can charge my little camera up, but I didn't realize well, my truck's a mess. I just need to do a little cleaning here, and I think I'm going to find it. Comes our third truck. I believe they're calling for 40 yards. So we got 16 yards in there right now. I think 40 is going to do it. So we put that new outrigger on. Everything went together really good. And I believe we're going to get a partial wrap, I believe, in this area. And I'll put a picture in there for that. And then I think we're going to have a name on the side. And then I believe in this area there's going to be another picture of the truck flat out. Is a pretty cool one I took there this summer. I believe up here what I'm considering is having a American flag like it's ripping through the paint, and on the underside of the paint will be the green that matches our boom, and then like I say, that'll go into more of a wrap down the side of the outrigger. I feel like it'll look pretty good. The place who is designing all this, they are still working on it right now, and they should have a proof here pretty soon to me. So anyway, here we go. We got our fourth truck coming in, and should be getting pretty close. Okay, I've only got one truck left. I got 20% left on my camera. Here comes the other truck coming down the hill. Hopefully this one will do it. I went ahead to the second job, which I don't believe they're going to let me film a lot on that. It's more of a commercial. Maybe they'll let me video a little bit, but obviously I've got to get a cable too, so I'll probably stop and pick one up on the way. But until then, we got 20% left on the camera. We're going to do a little bit more and see what we got for today. So I hope you all are enjoying this, and let's get this last truck in there, and hopefully we will not have a call back. So right, everybody, I'm going to end this video on this note. This is a simple little wall. We got our last truck pulling in. It's that rear discharge over there. Very simple wall here, just about 2 or 3 truckloads. And I got to go around the corner. Anyway, we're going to end the video. Hope you all enjoyed watching today. If you could, hit the like button, subscribe, share it with your friends, and we'll see you on the next one.